Some football news now. Donovan Duckie says he has no regrets from his time at Veer United after leaving the club to rejoin Montego United for the upcoming Jamaica Premier League season. In his first season at the club, Veer United finished 5th in the truncated league before being knocked out at the quarter-final stage. However, that was followed up by a 9th place finish in the just concluded season. Duckie says despite 5 wins from 22 matches, he leaves Veer United with no regrets.
At Veer United, don't want to say much about Veer, but there are limitations in anything that you do. Things can always be better in football. There is no mark that says this is the best things that you can have. But my time there, I thought we overachieved, especially in the first season when we got the quarterfinal berth. And then, we just did fairly well in the second season.
Meanwhile, the former national under-20 coach says he turned down offers from several teams before making the decision to return to Montego United.
Deep in the back of my head, I always knew the work that I started there. And, it's evident to everyone that I set the stage for them when they won back, in 2013, 2014. And, in my back of my mind, I have some unfinished business to take care of in that city. The love was just out of this world when I was there, from the staff, the players, the fans especially. So, it's a good feeling to be going back there. And the challenges are one that I'm looking forward to.
Now, this will be the second stint at Montego United for Duckie, having spent a part of the 2013-2014 season with the club.